L. My friend is renovating an old home, and he asked me to recreate this original molding. So I traced the profile of the molding and used the Moulding Toolpath in V-carve Pro to create the form. And in just a few clicks, we have the perfect toolpath. When carving 3D forms, it's best to use a ballnose milling bit. We'll start by removing the bulk of the material using a few rough passes. We don't want to be too aggressive as we risk splintering our wood and ruining our piece. Fortunately, the Moulding Toolpath takes care of all of this. Next, we'll run our finishing pass. And then, we'll cut out the outline using a 1/4 inch upcut spiral end mill. And as expected, well, it looks just like the original molding. Now let's just finish it up by applying a coat of primer and paint. L.